Most people get this wrong when an app stops working. They immediately assume their phone is broken, or the app is permanently down. But in most cases the issue is much simpler. In this video you'll learn why Mistplay keeps crashing or not loading in 2026, what actually causes it, and the fastest ways to fix it without losing your account or progress. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the one fix that solves most loading issues instantly. But almost nobody tries it first. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. When Mistplay doesn't load, it is usually not a serious app failure. It is most often caused by device issues, outdated versions or network conflicts. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think reinstalling the app is always the first solution. But that is actually not the best first step, and in some cases it can even make the problem worse if your account is not synced properly. Let's go step by step. Step 1 is checking your internet connection. Mistplay relies heavily on stable connectivity. If your network is weak or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the app may freeze on loading screens. For example, Alex in Mumbai might see endless loading just because his Wi-Fi keeps dropping. Step 2 is app updates. If you are using an older version of Mistplay, it may not match the latest server updates. That mismatch can cause crashes or login failures. Always make sure you are on the latest version from the official store. But here's the problem most users face. They ignore updates because the app worked yesterday and assume nothing changed. But server-side updates happen frequently in reward apps. Now let's talk about cache issues. Step 3 is clearing cache. Over time, stored temporary data can become corrupted. That leads to freezing, slow loading, or sudden crashes. Clearing cache resets that temporary data without deleting your account. Now here's where it gets interesting. On some devices, background apps can interfere with Mistplay. If your phone is low on memory or running too many apps, Mistplay may fail to load properly. John might have 5 heavy apps running and not realize that's the real issue. Step 4 is device compatibility. If your phone is outdated or running a heavily modified operating system, some features may not work correctly. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest fix that solves most cases without technical steps. The quickest fix is simple. Force stop the app, clear cache, restart your phone, and reopen Mistplay. This resets both the app and network session, which solves most loading loops instantly. If that does not work, reinstalling the app is your final option. But always make sure your account is properly linked before doing that. So to summarize clearly, Mistplay crashes or fails to load mainly due to network issues, outdated versions, cache problems, or device limitations. The biggest takeaway is this. Most loading issues are not permanent. They are temporary glitches that can be fixed in a few simple steps. If this helped you fix the problem, or understand it better, make sure to like the video, comment what issue you are facing, and subscribe for more simple app troubleshooting guides like this.